Okay. Okay, here we go. 2 cameras. Wow. Am I important or something? I don't know. But this is my first video ever. Demonstrating the Reload 2 into 2 Marshall cabinets with a Tonex. The Tonex original. But like 4 years ago now? Wow. But anyway, was it 4 years ago? I don't know. Don't laugh at me. But anyway, here we go. All right, so I picked one of the presets that were native inside Tonex and just plugged it in. I'm using some effects on the ground here.